Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create Lightning email template in Salesforce. So let's begin by understanding what is Lightning email template in Salesforce. A Lightning email template in Salesforce is reusable email template designed to work with Salesforce Lightning experience. These templates can be used in various email communication tools within Salesforce, such as email alert, mass emails, and automated processes. There are two ways to create Lightning email templates. First one is HTML in Salesforce, and the second one is email template builder in Salesforce. So we will discuss both of the way in the video. So let's first begin by understanding how to create the Lightning email template in Salesforce using HTML. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce account. So here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. So here we click on the app launcher and then enter the email template in the search box, and here we go under the items email templates are present. Click on this email template option and it will redirect us to the email template record page, and under this page you can see no record is already created. So we want to create a new email template, so we click on the new email template button. So here I want to create an email template with the name contact info. So I enter the contact info in the email template name field and then select the related entity, and here we are going to select the email and as a contact, and then enter the description if you want to add it, otherwise leave it as it is. And our folder is already selected as a private email template. Then I enter the subject and giving the subject as a contact information for the message content, and then choose the enhanced letterhead if you want to choose. Now enter the HTML value, and here I enter the HTML value as a hi, enter the text in the HTML field as a hi, and then now I want to add the first name of the contact. So I click on the insert merge field, that is at the bottom. So I scroll down and here I want to insert the first name. So I enter the first name in the search box, and this first name is for the lead and contact both, and I select the checkbox of the first name and click on the insert button, and here we can see that our first name is shown. So now I add the next line. Here if your info, now I want to insert the another merge field, like I want to add the birth date. So I again click on the insert merge field, and here I want to select the birth date, and here is our birth date. Click on this checkbox and insert it. Now scroll up, and here I want add the birth date semicolon, and then I again want to add the another field. So again click on the insert merge field, and this time I want to add the number, and this time I want to add the contact ID. So search for the contact ID, and here is the contact ID. Click on the checkbox and click on the insert button, and then scroll up, and now add here the ID. Now I click on the save button that is present at the bottom. So here you can see this, that is finally enter the HTML value, and here is the final look of the Lightning email template that is created using the HTML in Salesforce Lightning mode. You can also change the font size and add link of the image if you want. So you can add it this, and you can also change the source font size, and you can also bold, italic and underline the text, and you can also add the link and also add the image if you want. Otherwise you can leave it as it is, and then again click on the save button. So with this we have learned how to create Lightning email template using HTML in Salesforce Lightning. Now move ahead and learn to create the Lightning email template using the builder in Salesforce. So firstly, we follow the same steps that we have followed in while creating it using HTML. So we again click on the app launcher and then click on the email template that is present under the items. Click on this and it will redirect us to the email template page. Now we want to again create a new email template. So click on the new email template button and our new email template dialog box is open. Now this time we enter the email template name as a user welcome. So we enter in the field user welcome, then select the related entity as a contact. So search for the contact and select the contact and now enter the description if you want to add, otherwise leave it as it is. And this time we add the message content as a welcome user in the subject field and then leave the HTML value field as it is because this time we did not add the HTML value and then click on the save button. Now you can see our email template user welcome page is created and you can see that it creates the email template with the name user welcome. Now our main agenda is to create it with the template builder. So we will follow some steps to create it using the template builder. So for this we want to click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option and it will redirect us to the setup home page. And now we enter the permission set in the quick find box that is present on the left side and we enter the permission set and here is our permission set that is present under the users. Click on this permission set option and it will redirect us to the permission set page and here you can see the lots of permissions are present and now click on the new button and here create the permission set. So we enter the label as a template builder permission. So enter here under the label field template builder permission. Now entering the label, now you can see the API name is automatically populated and then enter the description if you want to add, otherwise leave it as it is. Now click on the save button and now you can see that we have on the same page of permission set. Now scroll down and you will get the system option of the system permission. Click on it and now click on this system permission added button. Now you can see template builder permission page is open. Now search for the access drag and drop content builder. When you scroll down, here you will get the access drag and drop contact builder. Click on this checkbox and this checkbox is enabled now. And now I click on the save button after selecting this access drag and drop contact builder. Now here you will see that it show you the system permission. Access drag and drop contact builder is allotted. Do you want to save this permission? Make sure to review your permission before you continue. These permissions can impact org security and user access. So read the message carefully and scroll down and click on the save button. Now here on the top you get the manage assignment button. Click on this manage assignment button and here you will redirect to the current assignment page and then click on the add assignments. Now tick the checkbox of the specific user to whom you want to assign the permissions. So here choose the user to whom you want to assign the permission and here I will select the user and then click on the next button. Now click on the assign button and now you can see one assignment was successful and click on the done button. By using all these steps and by using all these steps you will successfully create a permission for the template builder. Now we have back to our email template that we have created. Now refresh this page and so all the updates are enabled now. Now here you can see that you will get the button of the edit in builder. So click on this button. Now we will create a user email template by using the four standard components, and here you will see the four standard components is shown under the standard option, and here are the list of the component. So here I first want to add the image of the company logo. So for this we click on the image and drag it and drop it here. Now select the title. Now I want to add the image inside this. So for inserting the image, click on the select from file, and here I select from file, and here is my file. Click on insert after selecting the file, and here you can see the image is added, company image is added. Now I want to add the text. So for adding the text, I drag this rich text option and drop it here. I want to drag this rich text and drop it here. Now my rich text component is shown here, and here I enter the text. On the right side you will get the box to add the text. Here you can add the text, and here I simply add the text as a welcome user. Here I simply add welcome user. You can even bold it or italic. Even you want to change the font size also. You can also merge the field. So you can also merge the field. So here I click on the insert merge field for merging the field. So I click on this insert merge field, and I click on the contact description. In the search, I enter the contact description in the search box, and here is the checkbox. Click on the insert, and I want to add another field. So I again click on the merge field, and now this time I want to add the contact ID. So I click on the contact ID checkbox and click on the insert, and I want to bold this. So I click on this bold, and it will show you in the bold form. Now I also now I want to add the insert button. So for this I am using this button option. Drag it and drop it here, and you can see our button is inserted, and you can also change the name of the button. So here I change it to the insert button, and here from here I change the name of the button, insert button. You can also change the style of the button, and you can also change the color of the button. Now click on the save button, and here we go. You can see the save button is used to save your email template using the builder. Now let's move back to the email template page. So here you will get the final look of the Lightning email template that we have created using the Lightning template builder. And here is the final look of our page, user welcome. So with this we have learned how to create Lightning email template using the Lightning template builder in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.